Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. We are discussing N-channel JFET, junction field effect transistor, and we are discussing part number 2 and 5485. This component is looking like a transistor in TO92 package, but it is not a transistor. Its internal structure is different than a BJT, bipolar junction transistor. Its internal structure is much closer to UJT, uni-junction transistor. This is the substrate. We say N-channel, that means this substrate is N-type material. More electrons on this substrate. On this substrate, there is a P-type diffused gate, and it is connected together. So from both sides the same gate is closing this channel. This is one substrate. In BJT this material is separate, then a complete layer is present for P channel, here N channel. But in this JFET, this channel will collapse and expand, so it will open or close this entrance. One lead is connected to this point and second lead is connected to this point. It is named as a drain, it is named as a source, and this is gate. If you see its symbol, in symbol, 3 pins are connected to the same point. These are not separated. In MOSFET, the symbol is separated, the gate is separate, but here the same gate on the same substrate, that is here, and it is pointing in. It needs a gate to source current, and then it will open this channel from source to drain or drain to source. Let's see its datasheet. 2N5484, 2N5485, 2N5486. It is a family. Are SST5484, SST5485, SST5486. These are 6 components. 2N series is in TO92 package, and SST numbers are available in TO236 or SOT23 package, SMD package. 25 volt and 30 milliampere MOSFET, and it needs 10 milliampere current at gate to source. Let's see the other datasheet. N-channel JFET, high frequency amplifier. It works at very high frequency, up to 4 megahertz, 300 megahertz, like that. 25 volt, 30 milliampere, and forward gate current is 10 milliampere. TO92 package, left pin drain, center pin source, right pin gate. Let's check it now. To test JFET, set multimeter to diode. If I will connect a red lead at P material and black lead at N material, this junction will forward bias. Either we are testing with N source or N drain. And if we will check black lead at P material, red at N material, source and drain, it will open circuit. Let's check it now. Red lead at gate pin, here is gate, black lead at source, 0.749 voltage drop, one junction. Here second junction, 0.753. So we can say this indication is exactly similar to NPN transistor. This one and this one. In JFET, we cannot identify the pins, that this is drain, this is source, or this is drain, this is source. We cannot declare it using multimeter readings. Sometimes the readings are other than this. Maybe here gate to source reading is 0.749, gate to drain is 0.752. Maybe sometime it is different than this reading. Maybe gate to source is high, gate to drain is low. So we need to consult data sheet to see its pin out. So first test, gate to source forward bias, gate to drain forward bias. Reverse the leads in diode mode. Black lead at gate, open circuit. Now black lead at drain, red lead at source. It is giving 2.44 volt. That means high resistance. If I will touch source and gate together, it will give 0.249 volt drop. If I will leave it, the again voltage drop will increase. Both leads together, it will give low voltage drop. Normally with junction it is giving 0.751. Here it is giving high resistance, high voltage drop, but both leads together it is giving low voltage drop. Now we will check in resistance mode. Red lead at source pin, black lead at drain. It is giving 160k in 100 kilo ohms. This time the gate is floating. Now we will touch gate with source pin, 175 ohms. Reverse the leads. Red lead at drain, black lead at source. It is high resistance. Now I will touch to gate, the same low resistance. We can touch black lead to source and gate. So we will take low reading between these both connected pins and drain pin. So this FET is good. In this way, low reading, high reading. When gate is open, this channel is closed, internal path is narrowed down. That time we will find high resistance. When we will combine both leads together, this junction will collapse, current will flow. That time this resistance will drop. We will find drain to source current. This FET is giving good reading. If this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.